Right, today we're doing something very stupid. You should not try this at home. And this is controlled, totally. So we have this RC car over here, and what it's gonna do, I'm gonna click this button right up here, then it's gonna drive all the way into that. Remember, don't try this at home because it's actually stupid. Right. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Oh, look at that. All right. Stop. Okay, for safety issues, I had to remove the batteries because for the last one, safety issues, not very good. So we're gonna do it again with my bamboo stick. Right, now I'm going to poke it in. All right, it's poked in. Right, I'm gonna take it out now. All right, now it's on fire, which I told you not to do this. Well, I told myself not to. I probably shouldn't do this and not listen to my intrusive thoughts. I bad if you didn't see it, but oh no, everything's just going wrong now. Oh my goodness. This does not go very well. So after we put this fire out, we're gonna see if this runs. Probably doesn't because it's front wheel drive, and this thing probably won't work because of the gears and everything. Guys, I don't think I can make this run, but we can inspect the damage. Let's see here. Try not to let my viewers down. Gear right there, pretty sure. I don't know what that is. This thing moves. Over the top. Yeah, I don't recommend you to buy from this brand, even if you know what it is. If you want to put in fires too, and yeah.